My friends, they threw me a surprise party yesterday. Guys, they got me a cake. That's so nice. Let's eat together.
Can I?
Yes, of course. And I'm still kind of drunk. Now it's like 7 p.m. and like low-key round two. I love Hong Kong, it's so pretty. I'm so dehydrated, but the only thing I want is like Aperol spritz. It's really interesting. We're gonna go boiler room now. My phone died and I was like, oh my gosh, how am I gonna use the directions to find the place? Not very hard to miss. Literally going like half an hour before it closes. But there's an after party at Soho House we're gonna go to. Here's my ticket. I think it's over. Yeah.
Hi
guys.
Welcome channel.
Yes. Guys,
it's my own.
yes. Oh, TV. She always looks so cool. Why have I never been to this part of Hong Kong? Surreal.
Back to back. Boiler room, Hong Kong, how are you feeling?
Everyone is leaving, so we have to leave now. So sad. I actually liked it here. Guys, I'm so annoyed I didn't bring my camera, but it's fine. Anyways, my friend is having a goodbye party, so we're gonna go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Guys, why every time going to the beach in Hong Kong, you must hike. See, this is one of the things that like I would only do in Hong Kong. You would not catch me walking through the woods. Are you going to Junior's thing? Yeah, okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. Go Claire. Bro, I got cookies. I told you to take a bite. Guys, I don't want to cross the path because of the bugs, so we have to find another way to go upstairs. And okay. I've never seen a beach where like there's so many places to barbecue. You just bring your own coal. Like, what the hell? This is so amazing. When I come back to Hong Kong, I want to host like something here. It'd be so cute. Wow. The outfit. Oh, okay. Yes.